Hi, Timmerman families. This is Coach Birt, and I'm here with my son, Noah. I have a Google Classroom site that I created that I test things out before they are sent to you all and posted in your Google Classroom. Some of you have let us know, or let me know, that you're not able to access the YouTube videos when I post them. We are going to walk you through what you need to do when the link is posted in your Google Classroom. So my son Noah, this is a assignment that we posted in, like I said, my sample room. This is the video from August 26th. So Noah, go ahead and click on the link. So when you receive this error that says video unavailable, if you notice right where the cursor is, it says watch this video on YouTube. That is the link that you need to click to watch the video on YouTube. So he's going to click the link.
It's Wednesday.
And there's the video.
Wednesday.
You can pause it.
Kindergarten.
So friends, if you keep having that problem, that's where you need to click, where it says watch this video on YouTube. Thank you.